Okay.
Wow!
Wait,
really?
Yes.
Like, I'm so happy. Filipino kasi yung worst subject ko.
May pera. Scavenger.
Hello everyone! Today we are at the Adventist University of the Philippines, and today we are going to ask college students high school level questions. Tignan natin kung kaya nila. Okay guys, meron palang CSE Cup ngayon. So maraming students. Hello, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Nevin.
Hi Nevin. So
Hello.
ready ka na ba? Okay, so
Siguro.
hello. Good morning, what's your name?
My name is Arvin.
Hi Arvin.
Hi, I'm Lorelai Sinagya, first year psychology student.
Hey. Hi, what's your
Hello,
name?
my name is Jed.
Hi Jim.
Ako po si Ivan Pineda.
Hello Ivan. Hello, what's your name?
Good afternoon. My name is Kurt Adrian Makativo. I'm a second year BSEC student here at AUP.
Yay, complete. Hello, what's your name?
Deo.
Hi Kuya Deo.
Hi, I'm Joy.
Hi Joy. Basically, there's 5 questions. Every question is equivalent to 20 pesos.
Oh, wow! Sure!
Okay. High school level question number 1. What do you call the main character in a literary work?
Oh,
The main character.
wait lang.
My God, really?
Main character.
Yeah. What do we call them?
Wow!
The main character.
The main character in a literary work.
Yeah, what do we call them?
Protagonist ba?
Yes!
Okay, good.
Subject. Hindi ko alam. Noun.
Uy, legit!
Literary.
Literary work.
Protagonist.
Hey! Yes, correct.
A protagonist.
Yes.
Oh, the antagonist?
Protagonist.
Oh, shoot.
The main character
There
is
is
the
the
protagonist. Okay, second
Practice
question.
ko.
Hindi, yun na
Ah,
yun.
wala.
Oh, it's
Akala ko
okay.
may practice question.
Okay.
Pass.
Protagonist.
Okay.
Okay.
Ay, antagonist mo.
Oo. Now!
Wrong.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Protagonist.
Okay.
Di ba?
Yeah, protagonist, antagonist.
Okay, okay.
Protagonist.
Hey!
I don't know eh.
Protagonist.
What do you call them? I don't know.
Protagonist.
Protagonist.
Oh, diba?
Okay.
Protagonist. The main character in a literary work.
Protagonist.
Yes. Okay. Okay, second question. The answer when numbers are added.
Some.
Okay.
Very
Easy.
good, very good.
Easy. 3, 4, 5. Some. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
Some.
Yes! Sabi sa'yo, kaya mo. Some, yeah.
Not many.
When numbers are added, some po. Some.
Yes, ang galing ah.
Some.
There you go.
Some.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Added. Some.
Yes. Hey.
Some. Some.
Yes, some. Hey. Ano? Yeah, some.
Ginabahan ako doon.
Ano kasi easy yan to eh. Oh, ito. Sciences.
Okay.
Organisms that break down dead matter. What do you call the organisms that break down dead matter?
Wait lang, familiar eh. Nandaanan ko talaga to eh. Organisms that break
Break
down
down
dead matter. Oh, shoot. Dead matter? Wait, what?
Is
in the tip of my tongue.
Dead. Dead cells?
Cells? I don't know.
Relax. Bacteria?
Yung nagde-decompose. Decomposers.
Yes! Ang galing. Parang, ang galing mo natin.
Organisms that break down dead matter. Anong first letter?
D.
Decomposers?
Yes, decomposers.
Tama ba?
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay.
decomposers. What do you call the organisms that break down dead matter?
Decomposers? Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct.
I forgot it. I forgot
It's okay.
Sorry.
Decomposers. Diba?
Dead matter. Wala, nakalimutan ko.
Decomposers.
Okay.
What? Ano yun?
Decomposers.
Okay.
Okay, meron pa.
Sige, go.
Decomposers.
Oh my God, it's so hard. Okay.
Decomposers. Okay lang yan. Okay lang.
Hindi ko na pag-aralan to. Ma'am, sorry po. Hindi ko po alam.
Decomposers.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's, wait lang, scavenger?
Decomposers. Okay. Fourth question. Who is the first Filipina to lead a revolution?
Sino yan? Yun lang.
The first Filipina that lead the
Yeah,
revolution.
to lead a revolution.
Okay. So, dito ako babagsak. Kasi wala akong alam sa Filipino yun. Sorry po.
Okay. Okay.
Sino po?
Are you from the Philippines?
Ano po? So, pinanganak po ako dito, pero galing po ako sa US. Lumaki po ako doon.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam.
First Filipina. I forgot her name. Kasi ang pag-say-say.
Gabriela Silang.
Yes! Gabriela Silang.
History, yes.
Si Gabriela Silang.
Yes! Ang galing! Ang galing! Okay. Gabriela Silang. Right? So the correct answer is Gabriela Silang.
Okay po.
Yeah. Gabriela Silang.
Pwede ano? Hindi ko rin alam eh.
Sige. Gabriela Silang. Gabriela Silang.
Ano no? Imelda? Imelda nga?
Gabriela Silang.
She slayed.
She slayed.
Yeah, basta she slayed.
And was slain. Charot. Gabriela Silang.
Yeah, familiar. Silang Cavite.
Taga dito siya.
Is it Gabriela Silang?
Yes! Gabriela Silang.
Gabriela Silang.
Yes! Ang galing! Okay, last one.
Okay,
Pili ka ng subject.
Ah,
Math, English, Science, Physical Education.
Science. Yan yung fave ko eh.
Okay. Ito ba?
Science.
Science.
Yes.
Okay, science tayo. Math, English, Science, Physical
Science.
Education. Science.
Siyempre, nandun ako eh.
Okay.
TLE.
Oh, okay. TLE tayo.
Subject.
Math, English, Science.
English.
Ay! Okay, let's do this.
Ako, guys.
Let's do this.
English.
English, okay. Math, English, Science, English. Oh, ito. Okay, last one. Ikaw pili na subject. Math, English, Science, TLE, Physical Education.
Math.
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 Math na lang po.
Okay, math tayo.
Math.
What do you call the male reproductive part of a flower?
Male reproductive part of a flower.
The male reproductive part of the flower. What do you call the male reproductive part of the flower?
Flower.
Yes.
Shoot, nasa dulo ng dila ko. Arvin, basahin mo. Hindi ko nakalimutan ko.
Stamen.
Okay.
Sige, okay lang. Sabi mo exact mo.
Stamen?
One.
Stamen?
Yes! Oh my God! Tama! Okay, there you go. May prize yun. Wait lang. So you have a prize, don't worry.
Wait, really?
Yes.
Like, I'm so happy. Filipino kasi yung worst subject ko.
It's okay. So you got 2 points. So you'll have 40 pesos. The person, what do you call the person responsible for managing a business?
Manager?
Yeah, a person responsible for managing a business.
Business owner?
But I think pwede yun, pero the right answer is entrepreneur. Eh, okay lang yan. Thank you so much. Let's go.
Sana kakayanan natin.
Hindi ko kaya mo to. This is very easy for you.
Sana po.
Mathematics. What do you call the perimeter of a circle?
The perimeter of circle.
Perimeter of a circle?
Uy, ano yan, guys? Circumference po.
Yes!
Okay po.
Hey! Galing.
Thank you
Okay,
po.
thank you so much,
Ivan po.
Ivan. Okay.
Thank you po.
Oh, wait lang. May prize ka, syempre.
Radius. Pi?
Circumference.
Circumference.
Okay, thank you.
Circumference.
Yes! Hey! So dahil dyan, may prize ka. Ito, sige. A reference to another literary or historical work.
Reference. Another literary word. I don't know.
Allusion. It's fine. Thank you so much. So you got 2 questions, right?
I don't know.
2 questions. So you
Pwede
have...
mo ulitin? Hindi ko pa rin alam.
It's okay. Allusion.
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 Ang alam ko lang ay citation. Thank you guys. Sorry po.
Okay.
Yung high school teachers ko, sana hindi nyo ito makita. Iba na po si Jid ngayon. Bye guys.
Allusion.
Ay,
Allusion.
Allusion.
Dahil dyan, meron kang prize.
Ay, may prize pa rin ako. Kahit may 1 point ako.
Dahil ba namano ka dito? 100. Alam mo, nakasagot ka ng isang question, so you get
Wala akong nasagot.
you get 20 pesos. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ingat. Have a nice. Dahil nakailang sagot ka?
4 lang.
4?
4 out of 5 lang.
4 out of 5. I'll give it 100.
Ay!
So dahil dyan,
Ano ba yun? Definition? Definition ng allusion?
dahil meron kang isang correct answer, you have 20 pesos.
Thank you.
Kuya! Nakaisa ka, kaya may 20 pesos ka.
Ayay. Okay na.
Okay, thank you. Oh, dahil you have a 1 point, 1 point is equals to 20 pesos. So 20 pesos.
Sana abot ang 20 pesos ko. Okay, bye guys.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I have 40 pesos. Gusto mo tulungan kita?
Oy, over ka naman.
Thank you po sa 40 pesos. Malaking tulong po to. Pamasahin ng bayan.
Tada!
Po, sa lahat
Thank
ng
you.
support sa akin.
Sige, thank you so much.
Sige ko yan.
Oh my gosh. Sisi.
Okay, thank you so much, John.
Thank you, thank you.
Pagkain na tayo.
Ayan, so I hope you guys enjoyed our video today. Ang saya! Super dream come true. Talagang yung mga students, grabe, they love answering all the questions and I hope they enjoyed. Grabe, gusto ko talaga mamigay ng pera eh. Wow, alam mo talaga mayaman. Pero yeah, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and just tell me on the comment section if you like to do another video like this. Ayun lang. Bye guys!